Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another cook and clean with me, and I'm actually making a healthy keto breakfast casserole, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. Don't forget to click the like button on this video, it helps me out, and then if you're new, I would love for you guys to subscribe. Also, today's video is a collaboration with my friend Katie, and her channel is Greenish Katie, and she's going to be doing a cook and clean with me today too, so you get 2 recipes to watch. And her video link will be down in the description box, so you can go check her out as soon as you get done watching my video. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is brown your ground beef, and we used a pound here, and then after you're done browning it, it's all cooked, you're going to drain it and then put it in the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish. And then you're going to spread a little bit of shredded cheese on top, and we just used shredded cheddar here. And next we added in our cauliflower tater tots, and this makes it a little bit more low carb than regular potato tots. In a separate bowl, you're going to whisk together 3 eggs, and we put in 2 cups of milk, but I would suggest using only 1 cup, which is what we'll do in the future. 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and then a pinch of salt. Next, we poured our egg mixture over all the other ingredients that were already in our casserole dish, and put aluminum foil on top and put it in our refrigerator to chill overnight, but you can cook this right away if you wanted to as well. Next, we went ahead and started cleaning our kitchen because we had already eaten dinner this night, and we were getting ready for our little golf cart ride that we do every night after we eat dinner. Pretty much every night after dinner, we will load our dishwasher and get all of the dirty dishes in the dishwasher, and then if it's full, we'll go ahead and run it that night so I can unload it the next morning, and that way I can easily put any dishes in the dishwasher throughout the day, and it just makes it so much easier when it is time to get the dishwasher started. And we got a bunch of drinks and things for our vacation that we're about to go on tomorrow actually, and so we're just putting all the drinks up here to store until we get ready to put them in our cooler. Another thing that I like to do every night after dinner is wipe down all of our counters, and then if we have been cooking on the stove, we usually clean that off as well, and then a few nights a week I like to clean off the appliances. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, then you know that I'm obsessed with all the Method and Mrs. Meyer's products, and I get all of my stuff, all of my cleaning supplies from Growth Collaborative, and I have a link down below, which I always have in the description box. And the one that's in my description box today, you can actually get a free Mrs. Meyer's gift set if you are a first-time customer with Growth Collaborative just by using my link. And the Method products I'm using in my kitchen, I always use the Daily Granite on my granite countertops, the Daily Wood, and then the stainless steel on my stainless steel appliances. And then on my stovetop, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray, and this one is the peony scent. I don't think that they have this in stock anymore, but if you're looking for a great scent to try, I love the basil as well as the honeysuckle. Here I'm just washing out the inside of my sink with the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, and I'm using the peony scent again, but I just ordered a bunch of honeysuckle and I can't wait for it to get in because I'm so obsessed with it. I use it for all of our laundry detergent as well, and I would highly recommend that scent. And now I'm just going to clean up from where we ate after dinner, and I'm using the multi-surface spray by Mrs. Meyer's here again. And the last thing I like to do at night in the kitchen is do a quick vacuum around the kitchen table and then in the kitchen where we've dropped any crumbs or anything from dinner. And now we can go to bed with a nice clean house, and then we also have breakfast prepped for in the morning. So the next morning we got up and started making breakfast. I preheated the oven for 350, and then Chance came and put the casserole inside of the oven while I was getting ready for church, and you cook it on 350 for 35 minutes. Then after it's been cooking for 35 minutes, you're going to take it out of the oven and then sprinkle some more cheddar cheese on top and then some bacon bits, or if you want to cook your bacon and put bacon pieces, which is what we did. We had cooked it the night before and then just chopped it all up and put it in a little container in the fridge, and then used it this morning to put on top of our casserole. And then you're going to stick it back in the oven for another 10 minutes, and then it will be finished and your casserole will be ready to eat. So I have done this recipe in the past with regular potato tots, and it was super delicious, and so I just thought I would try substituting those for the cauliflower tots to make it more low carb and a little bit healthier of a recipe. And I'm so glad that I tried this because it definitely turned out really good. The only thing that I would suggest doing differently is putting 1 cup of milk instead of 2 so that it's not as watery. I felt like it was a little bit more liquidy than I would like it, but it was still a really good recipe. And then as you can see, Chance ended up putting ketchup on his and I put hot sauce on mine. Y'all let me know what you would put on yours. I feel like hot sauce just makes everything better. Do you agree or disagree? Let me know in the comments. But I will definitely be making this recipe again, especially when we have company. It's a super quick and easy recipe to have, and it feeds a lot of people. Obviously, my kiddos were not eating it. They were eating cereal. They are a little weird about mixing their foods together and everything, so they opted to have cereal this morning instead. And I think Gracie June's just too cute, and we just could watch her eat all day. Since we were trying to rush and get out the house for church, we ended up leaving any of the stuff that we had cooked that morning in the sink, and we just cleaned it up when we got back, but we were rushing around and trying to get out the house, so I wasn't really worried about it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it gave you a new recipe to try, and if you want to see the recipe, I do leave it down in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you guys to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more cooking or cleaning videos. And if you have any video suggestions, I always love to see those in the comments as well. And I try to get done as many videos as you guys suggest as possible in as quick a time as I can get it done. Don't forget to go check out Katie's video. Her link is below. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!